Well, good morning, Bowling Green Skate Park. My old friend. I come to see you again. Oh, I didn't make the pump. Oh, look at this place. I love it here. Oh, I'm gonna have fun today, folks. Not in any of that, probably, but over there for sure. This place is so awesome. It is a biggin'. And there comes Americoon. I can tell he's looking at ledges, he's looking at stairs, he's like, oh man!
Right, that's why, otherwise she would have just said so.
Yeah, I don't think Mary ratted him. But still kind of funny.
It is, because I haven't heard from him in years, and that's the first time I hear about him.
Yeah.
I was just wondering about the guy not too long ago, if he's dead or not.
Right? Is he still living in a tent somewhere or what?
I don't know, that's the thing. I don't know.
First try, but too much TikTok. Not enough roll away.
Not enough rolling, too much ticking.
Thanks, Johnny Geiger, for letting me know what right is. Asshole. Oh, that was a good ride, though.
I wanted a 180 onto that stick. Oh, you got the toe drag. You suck. That's alright, it's only 2 tries. It's not like you've been here 20 minutes trying it.
I think I do want to restart it and restop it. Alright, now I'm just going to go through. This will be my, I have completed the 180s. Feeling confident. I'm going to go for every high ledge in this place.
My foot fell
Video.
off.
But I started off with that because
Why
that was
not?
awesome. First try. Not enough roll away though, but first try. Oh. There we go. Let's go to something higher. This one's pretty high. That'd have been cool. There it is. Oh yeah. So far this has all been brought to you by that bottle of water. Which is that huge radius thing right there. Woohoo! Think I can do it, Coon?
What?
Going for it. Worked for this height all my life. I can't even stand on it. Woo! good land. But it was it's high, dude. Fucking high. Scary as fuck. It's like almost the whole board.
Oh, that ain't their highest.
Whole board. Pretty
Have you not? I mean, isn't that one up there higher than our full board?
Which one?
Two Rivers?
No.
Oh.
You get to see some of your about 2 inches.
Oh, okay. So this is a good 33, 34 inches, right?
Yeah.
I think
Feel
boards
just
are
right.
32
I gotta
and a
feel
half.
just right. I gotta feel just right. This will be the one I get to put in fast forward and call it my battle.
Right.
Have you watched them battle videos like the battle of this and they're always shooting for a step and a trick or something?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is my battle of 35 inches or 30. No!
Oh! Thought you planted it.
I was healing.
Oh! He's got this. There it is.
That's it.
That was the one.
Hell yeah. Wait. Okay, so I'm not very good at this, right? And I don't have a gimbal, but if you have vertigo, don't watch this part of the video. I'm gonna try to do the pump track that Americoon filmed me on and film it. Because really I only have to push to right there. The rest of the time, I just have to stay on the board. There we go. No, I didn't make it. Had to push. But this part, man, it's so fast. You ready? This is me trying to go slow. Good times. Bonus track. We went and ate lunch. Brunch, really. It was a brunch. We had a brunch, breakfast. Bro brunch. Now I'm gonna, to finish my 180 of awesomeness today, I want a 180 off of that ledge and come down the slope, which is totally a new trick for me.
Totally out of his comfort zone on the slope.
Oh yeah, that for sure. That I've only landed it once or twice. Yeah. That wasn't good enough.
Dude, it looked like you hit the flat.
I feel like I hit heel. Oh, I am trying to come in half flat. I'm not going to deny that.
Well, then you're not hitting the slope.
I want to be able to get the slope. Maybe not land on it. Oh man, that hurt my hand. I'm sure it just looks stupid, but
Dude, a 180 on this board off a ledge is a lot easier for some reason because of this tail. You want to try it?
no.
Okay.
I'm doing something.
I know.
And I didn't do it. Come too close on the fly.
Hey, I landed it.
Nice.
Finally.
I didn't see it, but
I know, but I finally did it. I actually 50-50, halfway down it, and came out 180. Actually did it. Finally. It took a little BLT, and that's boy love touch.
bacon helped.
Oh, 2 in a row, baby. Two in a row, baby.
I came down the slope. It wasn't clean enough.
Yeah, that one wasn't clean, but I still did.
There we go. That was her. That was the one I wanted on film. Oh, that's the one
I
that
didn't
paid.
get to see it. That's alright, I'll see the video. I'll see the
That one
video.
was the one that paid the mental bills. Yeah, and a couple good shove-its afterwards. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's what it's about, people.